Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on circumference of a circle worksheets. So this video presents a few worksheets where we can do some exercises in finding the circumference of a circle. If you're not sure what to do, on the last slide there is a link, and if you click on the link it will take you to the lesson, and the lesson explains how to do all the examples. So let's quickly go through this. Find the circumference of the circle in each of the following. So here we have a circle with a radius of 8 centimeters. We're given that pi equals 3.142, and this was all explained in the lesson. So we can use the formula that was given in this particular instance, and the important formula was C equals 2 times pi times r. Okay, so that was one formula. 2 times pi times r. We've been given pi as 3.142. We know the radius is 8 centimeters. For this example here, we've been given, again, the radius. This time pi is 22/7, so we just do the same thing. 2 times pi times r, but remember here pi is 22/7. For the next example, we're given that the diameter is 14 centimeters. Pi is 22/7. The other formula that was given in the lesson was C equals pi times d. So pi times the diameter. So that was the other formula. And you notice here that we're given the diameter, so that's a good one to use. The next example, again, we're given the diameter and we're given pi, so we can use C equals pi times d again. Here we have another example. Now these are very similar to the previous examples, except we're using some larger numbers. So we'll have perhaps some long multiplication, or if the calculator is able to be used, the calculator will make our job a lot easier. The same here, we're given the radius again. This time we're given the fraction form of pi, and we just use the appropriate formula, and it's exactly the same for this one, where we're given the diameter there and the diameter here, fraction, and the normal decimal for pi. So remember, if you're in a little bit of doubt, on the next slide you'll see a link. Click on the link and it will take you to the lesson. So this video has given us some worksheets where we can practice finding the circumference of a circle, and we just use the appropriate formula and whatever value for pi that we have been given.